just filming your crotch, sorry. Lily.
No, go back to the crotch. Sydney, we're coming for you.
What day is it today?
It's show day!
It's show day! Ah, whoa, Lizzie! This is Marty! I'm running on like 6 hours of sleep.
Which is pretty good considering the amount of sleep that you've gotten over the past 2 weeks.
It's made me a bit unhinged, but I think that's good show energy.
Yes.
Zoom in on these bags.
You know that meme of like a girl who's going to be okay and she just like looks out the window wistfully?
Oh my God, yeah.
That was me.
I was texting you going, I think I'm gonna cry. I'm that emotional.
Right! Baby's first live show. It's all happening. But first, let me take a selfie.
Was that good? Was that a good take?
That was great. And again, and again. I think we should get a candid shot of you just like zoning out, like, you know what I mean?
Be candid.
I did have like a feeling on Monday night. I'm like, have we done everything? Have we done everything? And then I was like, no, we have.
We have.
2 hours later.
Spotted one Ruby hole. Miss Producer. Oh, we have reunited.
She doesn't know I'm filming her. I wonder when she'll realize. Hello, Ruby. Hello. Can you see me?
This is actually getting really creepy now. I've been filming you for a while.
Thanks, together.
Lunchtime, everyone.
That's a whole chicken.
We've got a fuel. That's a whole
Some
chook.
hot chips.
Yum chips.
The factory theatre toilets hate to see Bally coming. We ran into Shooshy, or Shooshy ran into Bally.
Yes.
And she's coming tonight, so that was really cool. Things like interactions like that get me more and more excited.
I wish I got it on camera, but she was so lovely. Shout out. We'll see you tonight. We can't wait. And yeah, I'm gonna tuck you into my chicken. Bye. Hello, Sydney. Like, are you kidding me? Look at that hotel view. I'm feeling so fresh. By the way, I've checked into the hotel.
We are about 2 hours out from doing a tech run. I'm gonna meet Marty, Lucy, Ruby, and Louie downstairs at 4 p.m. to head to Factory Theatre to do a 2-hour tech run, and then it's pretty much go time. At 8 p.m, the Shooshies will be coming through that door. The door to the vault. Do you want a hotel tour? Yeah, you do. All right, let's go. So, as I said, view. I love it. Lounge area. And that's me. Hi. I'll be using that later. Me again. Hi. Bathroom 1. Like, it's a really nice hotel, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, sorry. Are you kidding me? Bathroom 2. Me for the 3rd time. Hey. I'm gonna show you my outfit for tonight, the live show. Hey, my name's Annabelle Lee. Welcome to Vogue. What's in my bag? So we have socks. I'll just show you my outfit. I have this really, really pretty Alpha 60 top along with a really, really pretty Alpha 60 textured profiterole kind of skirt. I'm so obsessed. My new Doc Martens hair straightener, steamer. Oh, all carry-on by the way, so slay me, I guess. My makeup bag, wipes. And you know what? I'm getting bored by this at this point. So that's pretty much it. Bye. The wind is so dramatic. I know.
It's beautiful.
Can't define me like the western sky. We're in the car on the way to our tech run. Yay!
I want you to get the hiccups on stage.
That's such a random request.
Because you just hiccuped.
No, I snorted through my nose. Like,
No, like 2 minutes ago.
oh, did I?
Yeah.
I love how you just know my bodily functions.
I know.
I'm gonna ask you one word to describe the Shooshies after the show.
Okay.
So let me know what you think after.
Great. Oh, wait. You know, as soon as you said that, I'm getting emotional. I'm already going to start to cry. So,
Oh, I can actually see tears
Yeah.
forming.
I just love my children. I'm gonna...
That's a natural tip. There we go.
Oh shit, this is the entrance.
Well, how are you feeling now?
Hey.
So, God, I
Hey.
didn't realize it'd be
Hey.
steamy
One,
here.
two, yeah.
The main thing. Otherwise, though, very exciting. The vault will go here. Yeah, cute. Hello, everyone. Gotten ready? Oh, my bib. Faces on. About to tuck into some food before we head on stage. Shall we see what everyone else is doing? Eliza! Hi. Lucy. Louie.
I've already got things on my shirt that I was wearing.
Yeah, there was
But
a stain
There
situation.
was a stain, but we got it out. Feeling really good about it now.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You look beautiful. Feeling beautiful.
This is the fit.
This is the fit and Ruby. There's our
Getting ready to
queen.
read your secret.
I love that. Oh my god, stage time soon.
Oh, guys. I can't remember.
Fabulous. 4 minutes.
Two hours later.
Guys! That was so good! Earlier I asked you for one word to describe the Shooshies. Magnetic. Magnetic is a good word.
Because I just felt so engaged with each and every one of them.
I would say family, but you need a word to describe them. So I would say that my Shooshies are inspired. And they're also fucking sexy.
No, like when those house lights came up, I was
I
like,
say,
oh
whoa.
my god.
So my word is inspiring, but also sexy.
Sexy.
And truly, I wanted to just keep going for hours and hours and hours to just be out in the audience, chatting to our Shooshies, and just pouring the fucking tea.
If you know, you know.
Oh, we didn't walk out and do our handshake.
We will for Melbourne.
Now let's practice.
Approaching.
Double tap.
See you next time.
See you next
See you
time.
next time.